Hello guys, welcome to BlueTech Future Innovation. My name is James and today I'm going to show you how to connect automatically to any provided Wi-Fi using QR code. Please note you don't need SSID or password of the Wi-Fi. Let's begin. First thing, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. So if you go to setting, you select Wi-Fi and then you make sure it is on. But currently I'm connected to a Wi-Fi called BlueTech. Okay, after that, go to Play Store. So you move to Play Store. I want you to download application called QR code and barcode scanner. So you can search QR code and barcode, the first one here. So you QR code and barcode scanner. So download and install it. Mine is already installed, so I'm going to open. So once you open, now the next step is scanning the code. I already have the QR code ready, so I can now scan it. So as you can see, the network name or the name of the Wi-Fi is BlueTech FI. The password is 123 up to 8, and also note that the QR code is provided with your institution or a company. So don't ask me how to or where to get the QR code. So you can also be able to create your own QR. If you don't know, ask me how, or ask for your company, your institution. Okay, now the next step is connecting to the Wi-Fi. I have scanned the QR code. The name of the Wi-Fi is BlueTech FI. The password is 123 up to 8. So the next step, I have to click connect here. So requesting for network, something there. So as you can see, obtaining IP address and the network is connected. So I haven't typed any password. I have just scanned the QR code and the Wi-Fi is now automatically connected. And that's how you connect Wi-Fi using a QR code. In some instances, your phone may not be able to connect your Wi-Fi because of the Android version. So I have noted Android 9 and below are connecting automatically without any problem. So I'm going to show you how to connect or how to scan the QR code using Android 10 and above. Now I'm using Android 10. With Android 10, you don't need to download any application from Play Store. What you need is just need to move to setting. You find where your Wi-Fi is. So mine is number 2 here, network and internet. So I'll tap here, then I'll tap Wi-Fi there. So as you can see, we have these 2 icons here. The first one is this one, surrounded, and you also have the second one at the top right. So we can also surround it there. So that is a QR code scanner. So you just need to tap on it, and the next thing is just to scan the QR code. So as you can see now, connect to Bluetech Fi, tap to connect to join. So I just tap, and the Wi-Fi is connected, the Bluetech Fi connected. That's how you connect Android 10 and above if the other method didn't work for you. So you need to use this one. You don't need to download the other application.